A construction worker gets into a freak accident and loses both his ears. He consequently is absent from work for several months. Fast forward to the day he is due back in work. The foreman gathers all the workers and says, "Listen, Peter is returning to work today, so can everybody just be extra careful what you say as he looks a bit different?" Everyone agrees, and they go about their day. It gets to lunchtime, so Peter enters the break room and sees his friend Dan. Dan says, "Hey, Pete, how have you been? I see your eyesight got better." Peter replies, "What do you mean?" So Dan says, "Well, you're not wearing your glasses anymore."